hope you're having an amazing day. So as you can see today, I have my room light on just because the day is a little gloomy. It actually looks pretty good from my angle, so let me know what you think. Usually I don't turn on the light, I just use Mother Nature's I've spoken about, but I do have like a different light. Last time I used to have like a yellow light, and now it's like a white light. So anyway, besides the point. Today, as you saw from the title of this video, today you're going to be learning 5 more facts about me. And this is a 5 facts about me tag. I don't know who started it, but I remember I did the same video a couple months back with 5 facts about me. So I decided to do a part 2 just because, you know, for fun, so you guys could get to know me. I know I got a lot of new subscribers recently. So yeah, so let's get into it. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. So the first one for me is that I'm actually half Mexican, half Salvadorian. And I'm actually a little more Mexican on my dad's side. But my grandma actually did raise me along with my mom. And my grandma is Salvadorian. Her husband is Honduran. So it's like a lot of mixing in this family. But yeah, so I'm proud to say that I'm half Mexican, half Salvadorian. Next thing is that I actually collect playing cards, and I'll put a picture of a couple of them. I do have them right here. Let me see if I want to reach for them. Okay, that was really dramatic. And it was like a moment. But these are all of my playing cards. I did just get this new set from Las Vegas, and I really love, I don't know why I like collecting playing cards. I do have these like pink ones with little angels on them. I have some SpongeBob ones right here, and they're just like the regular like playing cards. I just love collecting them. The main reason is because I like shuffling them. It just helps me concentrate, and whenever I like need to think of ideas or whatever, or I'm reading and I just like, it just helps me register the information a little better. Yeah, and that's what I like doing. These are some little princess ones. These are like bigger than the regular playing cards, as you can see, and I got these from Dollar Tree. They're really cute. Let me know down below what you collect, if you collect anything. Number 3 is that my favorite Disney princess is actually Ariel from The Little Mermaid. I just really love her. We recently went to the Capitan Theater that's in Hollywood to watch it, and it's just a really nice movie. I really love the part when they're like in the little boat, and then that crab, what's his name, Sebastian, is singing like Kiss the Girl. It's just a really cute scene. So yeah, so let me know what your favorite princess is down below. But my favorite villain is actually Maleficent. I really enjoy her movies that just came out with Angelina Jolie, that red lip that they choose for her. Oh my god, I love Maleficent and Ariel, and they're just amazing. Fact number 4 is that my favorite chocolate used to be Reese's, the Reese's cups, and I really still enjoy those. But my number 1 chocolate at the moment is Hershey's Kisses, Hershey's just chocolate bar. They're just so good. I think there's something in Hershey's that makes you addicted because they are so delicious. I love chocolate. I just love chocolate. It's so good. And fact number 5, the last one, is that I actually have diaries, and I have a lot of them. I'll put a picture of them because they are over there somewhere, and they're like from elementary, middle school, and then in high school I kind of stopped writing, but all of them are different diaries. I think I had like 13 diaries or something, and I still have a lot of them. And it was just like not even a diary where you write about like who your crush is. Well, it was, but what I used to do is I used to write every day. I used to date it, I used to give it a title, and I used to write what was going on throughout my day. Like it would be as boring as like I showered, it's this time right now, and I'm watching a movie. Just like stuff that I used to do throughout my days. And it's just because my memory hasn't been so great, and I knew when I was older that I would want to remember certain things, so I would write every day in my diaries, and that's why I had so many. And it was just so I could look back and remember certain little things, certain moments. And I still go back and laugh at some stuff. And then I have like little interviews and drawings and stuff. It's just really, I'm glad that I started that, and I do want to start that again, and just so I can remember like the process, getting to certain points in my life, that my age, like what my mind was looking like. And yeah, so we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high-end. And I also have a Twitter, which is new. And if you want to follow me there, that would be amazing. and it would be so great if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.